Hello and welcome everyone to the second chapter of the Elasticsearch in Python tutorial series Insert and Get. Now, if you would have followed the video of chapter 1, we showed how we can create and delete an index. In this video, we will see how we can insert the data into the ES and look at the simple get query. In the last video, I missed the third way by which we can connect to ES instance. Here, we can see that I have directly provided the host and the port number together, and this will also successfully connect to the ES instance. The data in the ES goes in the form of JSON. So I have already created 3 documents that will be pushed into the ES index. I have not created an empty index for this video, and we will see how an index would get created automatically when we push the data. To add data, we use the method index and we provide value to 4 parameters. Index, doc type, ID. Now ID uniquely identifies the data that we are trying to put in, and that data goes in the body parameter. So if your insertion is successful, then you'll get a result similar to this. We can see the successful key value is 1. Now let's insert the other 2 documents as well. We'll only have to change the 2 parameters ID and body. And the last document, document 3. So the data is successfully inserted into the ES. Now let's say we want to see the data that is present for the ID 2. So we do that using the method get. Now in the get method, we provide the value for the index parameter, doc type, and the ID for which data we want to see. Let's say we want to see the value for the ID 2. So we can see the JSON output that have been given by the ES. Here the data of doc2 is present in the source key. So we can go to source key to see the data that is present in the ID 2. Now that's it for this chapter. In the next video, we will see different ways we can use a search method to get the result which matches our query, and that would also be probably the most important chapter of this series. If you would like to connect with me, then I am sharing the LinkedIn URL along with the GitHub URL where the code for this video is posted. Thank you.